Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and installation of this beautiful wig sent over to me by LUVME Hair, so shout outs to them. But let's get right on into it. So LUVME sent over lots of goodies, so let's start off with this box because I was not expecting this, but apparently LUVME Hair has a collection of hair products that I am just now finding out about, so we're going to learn about it together. This is their Wig Renewal Hydrating Mist. It's like an all-day conditioner to put in your wigs. And then they also sent me Wig Renewal Hair Oil, the Wig Renewal Shampoo, and the Wig Renewal Conditioner. So these products are all catered towards taking care of your wigs, and I'm really excited to try these. Apparently this is their first ever like wig exclusive hair care system, so we shall see how this turns out. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me trying these products out, because I definitely have a lineup of wigs I need to wash. So if you want to see that, let me know. LUVME packaging is always super duper cute. Has a little bow. We'll just go ahead and open it. I have a LUVME hair clip. I could never have too many of these. I always need these when I'm doing my hair. There's also a like beauty sponge, which I think came in the box last time. Then also some HD wig caps. I don't really use these that often, but wig caps are here. I don't even really know what this is, so let's open this because I can't tell exactly what this is. I think, like, what what is this for? Like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. It's like Velcro. I hope I didn't rip my hair out, y'all. What is this? Like, what would, like, what is this? I have no idea what this is for. I'm gonna have to ask them. The only last thing that's in here is the little label for the wig bag, which is this. And I like that their bags are see-through, because when I pack all my wigs away and they're in those little satin bags, I have no idea what's inside. At least this, I can see what color the wig is, kind of like what type of lace, etc. So let's open it up so I can show y'all. So, you know, you can't beat this. Like, gone are the days of having to pluck and bleach your own wigs. Like, if you were in the trenches with me, you know, like, if you've seen my old series on YouTube where I would customize and do all my own wigs, and they wouldn't even come out half as good as this. Like, the fact that we could buy them pre-made like this, me in 2017 could never. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a 13x4 wig, has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the top, like behind the frontal, and then there's probably 1 more. 4th comb at the back, adjustable strap. This is the standard construction. It is pre-cut, which I'm nervous about, because with my 13x4 frontals, I get a little nervous because, as you can see, my hairline kind of dips in and out. Like, I have a widow's peak first and foremost, so I can't start my wig back here because my hair will be exposed, but then my hairline dips out over here. So having a pre-cut frontal doesn't always work out for me because they don't always fit my head. So we're gonna see how this one turns out, but y'all know me, because I'm gonna always make it work somehow. So let's put the combs in. I'm not gonna make it super tight because I don't think I need to, but we'll tighten it a little bit. Okay. Ugh. Ooh, you know, I like LUVME. They just get me. Like, they just get me. What could I say? This is a really good blend. Like, I didn't even spray the lace with any makeup or anything yet, and it doesn't look bad. Like, hold on. Wait a minute. Damn. See, Now, this is gorgeous. Like, this hairline, I'm really impressed. Like, this is gonna look really, really nice. But, big but, this is a problem that I have with a lot of pre-cut wigs, which is why I prefer to buy them with the lace still attached. This area right here, like, what they chose to do was cut off the sideburn. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Like, I need that piece of lace right here, because what am I to do with this corner? Like, what am I to do? Like, obviously this can be made to work. Like, I could, you know, I don't know, like, slick my edges back a little bit and hope the wind doesn't blow. But this fit would be perfect if they didn't cut the lace straight back to the ear. Like, we need this. Like, at least I do. If your head is smaller and your hairline doesn't do what mine does, you probably could get away with this, but I'm gonna have to wear this as a closure, unfortunately, and I'm not gonna be able to, like, put the hair fully back. But I never typically do that anyway, so I'm going to try to make this work. Let's take a peek at the parting space, because that is another thing. This is a 13 by 4, so, like, it don't give you much to, you know, go back. Like, even the middle part, like, it stops right here. I prefer a little bit deeper of a parting space, but the way that they've plucked the hairline, I'm actually not mad at wearing it like a flip over, like with no part. Like, that's cute. And just kind of letting the hair do what it wants. But, like, the hair is straight right now, and this is all we got. Like, it's not super full, but it still looks nice. So let's see how we're gonna style this, because at least with my skin tone, like, you could definitely get away with wearing it like this, but I like to tint my lace, so I'm gonna flip the wig out and use the lace tint spray. I'll have the one I'm using linked down below, but it doesn't have to be this. You could even use just like foundation or whatever, doesn't matter. And I just spray it to get a little bit more even coloring. Let's see if this fit is a little bit better. Yeah, that's more snug for sure. Okay, I moved the camera back a little bit so that you guys can kind of see fully what we're working with. Because this wig doesn't fit my head, I'm going to have to do something about this. Okay, so I have some edge control. This is Kai's Hair Diary edge control, and I've talked about this before, but y'all can see I use her. Love her. I will have this edge control linked down below. I have been on vacation with a sew-in in tropical weather, and this edge control has not failed me, so definitely pick it up. It's worth it. It'll last you a long time. It's a pretty good size container for the price, and yeah, it's a black business, so go support Kai. I will have it linked because, of course. But let's see about these edges, child, because I'm literally just gonna slick them back, like, and hope that it doesn't look crazy. So slick it back and then just sit the wig forward. Damn, I think I should probably slick down the whole edge. So let's do right here also. My braid down has grown out so much, so the hair is just having a mind of its own. Clip the hair back out my way and do the same thing on this side. Like, you see my edges, they need help, so. And just slick it back. And then once the hair is slicked, adjust the wig. Okay. Now we can spray the hair down. So I'm putting the hair towards the back because I'm gonna spray some lace glue. Ooh. And I'm using this Ebin Lace Bond. This is their waterproof sports edition. And I'm gonna spray this along just where the lace is. And I'm looking in the mirror just so that any hairs that are in the way, you don't want to get glue on them. Okay, and you're just gonna spray the entire hairline. Some people like to do it under and then put the wig on top. I like to do it over and tie the wig and just let that sit. Okay, so we've let the band sit for like 5 minutes. Now we can take it off. This is the moment of truth. You know, you just never cease to amaze me, love me. Like, I'm impressed. This looks really good. Like, and if now this is not bothering me, but if it's bothering you, you could put like some black eyeshadow right where my real hair meets the edge of the lace so that you don't see that little line of demarcation there. That's definitely something that you can do to make this look a little bit more seamless if it doesn't fit your head. But if you have a normal like straight across hairline and a little bit of a smaller head, this will work just fine for you. And I'm used to wearing closures, so it really doesn't bother me. And this hair is gorgeous. Like, it moves, it bounces. I'm actually planning on wearing it flipped over like this because I think that's going to be the most flattering for like this length. And this, like, you don't have to do nothing else to the wig. Like, look at the hair. You could pop some curls in it, flat iron it. Let me know if you guys want to see like a styling video of how I would style this hair. But I just wanted to come and show y'all my first impressions, unboxing, play with the hair a little bit. This is going to be my first frontal from LUVME hair, like 13x4. The only wigs I have from them are closures, and I'm not mad at this. Like, it's not bad at all. Like I told you guys, closures are my fave. Frontals are like my second favorite. And if it's going to be a frontal, I do prefer it to be 13x6. But this 13x4 is really not bad. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look of the wig. It looks great. Like, I'm really impressed with how it turned out. And truly, this is the very first time that I've worn a wig straight out the box. Like, I didn't do any styling. I didn't do any tweezing, any bleaching, any plucking, nothing. I have not even run a flat iron through this hair, and it looks great. Like, you could go outside like this. Now, will I go outside like this? Probably not. I will probably just throw a couple curls in it and go about my day. But I just want to show you guys that you don't have to be a hairstylist to do your hair at home. You can make it nice, quick, simple, and easy. And LUVME hair is very affordable. I will have all of the specs listed down below. Links. I'll have my coupon code for you guys to use if they provide me one, so that you guys can get some money off. And yeah, definitely check this out. The first impression is giving. What could I say? So thank you guys again so much for watching, and shout outs to LUVME for sending over this wig. I really appreciate it, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.